After exercise 15C, next is 15D, and in this exercise we have to use decimals for denoting the value of currency, measuring lengths and measuring weights. Okay, so the question number 1 is express in paise. Express in paise. Okay, so rupee is given to you, you have to express in paise. So the first question is rupee 8.40. As you know that in 1 rupee we are having 100 paise. We are having 100 paise and we are converting rupee to paise. Okay, so rupee to paise we are converting, so we have to multiply, because as you know, when we are converting bigger unit to smaller unit, we are multiplying, and we are converting smaller unit to bigger unit, we are dividing. So we have to convert this rupee 8.40. So 8.40 into 1 rupee 100 paise, so that's why into 100. Now two ways you are having to solve this. दो ज़ीरो है, 100 है, डेसिमल मल्टीप्लाई कर रहे हो, डेसिमल राइट साइड में जंप करेगा, तो 1 2, सो 840 पैसे इज रिक्वायर्ड आंसर. Otherwise 8.40 can be written as 840 upon 100. After decimal two places are there, so that's why divide by 100 into 100. 100 get cancelled, 840 paise. So in this way you have to solve question number 1. Okay, then question number 2 is express in rupee. Express in rupee. So रुपी में कन्वर्ट करना है, वैल्यू किस में है, पैसे में. सो पैसे से रुपी जा रहे हैं, पैसे टू रुपी, स्मॉलर टू बिगर, दैट मीन्स डिवाइड बाय 100. 100 से डिवाइड क्यों कर रहे हैं, क्योंकि 1 रुपी में कितना पैसा होता है, 100 पैसा होता है, इसलिए 100 से डिवाइड कर रहे हैं. सो द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज 55 पैसे. सो दिस 55 वी हैव टू डिवाइड बाय 100. सो एज यू नो वेरी वेल, 2 zeros in the denominator we are having, so decimal will make 2 jumps to the left side, so 1 2, so you can write 0.55 rupee. So this is your required answer. Okay, then one more question, 3279 paise. So we will write this as 3279 upon 100. 2 zeros, so from the last 1 2, so answer is 32.79 rupee. So in this way you have to solve question number 2. Then question number 3, express in centimeter. Express in centimeter. So I think conversion you know very well. Millimeter, centimeter, decimeter, meter. मिली, सेंटी, डेसीमीटर, डेकामीटर, हेक्टोमीटर, किलोमीटर. सो द सबसे बिगर यूनिट जो है वो किलोमीटर है, सबसे स्मॉलर यूनिट जो है वो मिलीमीटर है. कन्वर्ट करना है किसमें, सेंटीमीटर में. कन्वर्ट करना है किसमें, सेंटीमीटर में. वैल्यू किस पे गिवन है, वैल्यू मीटर में गिवन है, तो मीटर से सेंटीमीटर में कन्वर्ट कर रहे हो. तो मीटर बिगर है सेंटीमीटर से, तो बिगर से स्मॉलर आ रहे हो, तो बिगर से स्मॉलर आ रहे हो मीन्स मल्टीप्लाई करोगे. ठीक है, क्या मल्टीप्लाई करना है, मीटर टू डेसीमीटर 10, डेसीमीटर टू सेंटीमीटर 10, और 10 और 10 100. दैट मीन्स 1 मीटर इक्वल्स टू 100 सेंटीमीटर. सो दिस इज योर conversion. So the question is 8.54 meter. So first write 8.54 meter है, सेंटीमीटर में कन्वर्ट करना है, so for that into 100. So again 2 zeros, decimal we have to move 2 places to the right hand side, so 854 centimeter is required answer. One more question, 2504 meter. सो 2504 इंटू क्या करना है, 100. क्यों 100 इंटू कर रहे हैं, क्योंकि मीटर से सेंटीमीटर में जा रहे हैं, बिगर से स्मॉलर, तो मल्टीप्लाई. सो 2 places 2 0 मीन्स 2 जम्प्स टू द राइट हैंड साइड, मल्टीप्लाई में राइट हैंड साइड जाता है, राइट साइड जाता है, और डिवीज़न में लेफ्ट साइड. सो 2504 सेंटीमीटर इज रिक्वायर्ड आंसर. ओके, देन नेक्स्ट इज एक्सप्रेस इन ग्राम, सॉरी, क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 एक्सप्रेस इन मीटर. Question number 4, express in meter. Express in meter. Okay. So in question number 4, all the data, all the values are given to you in centimeter. Centimeter में given है, convert करना है मीटर में. तो सेंटीमीटर स्मॉलर है, मीटर बिगर है. तो स्मॉलर से बिगर जा रहे हो, दैट मीन्स डिवाइड. तो कितना डिवाइड करना पड़ेगा? 1 मीटर इक्वल्स टू हाउ मच सेंटीमीटर? 100 सेंटीमीटर. दैट मीन्स डिवाइड बाय 100. ओके, सो द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज 250 सेंटीमीटर, सो डिवाइड बाय 100. सो 250 अपॉन 100, सिंपली दिस 0 0 गेट कैंसल्ड, देन 25 बाय 10, एक ज़ीरो है, स्टार्ट करो डेसिमल लास्ट से, 1 स्टेप ओनली, सो 2.5 मीटर. ओके, then one more question, 2328 centimeter. So just divide this 2328 by 100, two zeros in the denominator because 100 is given, so it will make 2 jumps from the last to left side. So 1 2, so answer is 23.28 meter. So you can solve question number 4. Then what about gram and kilogram? As you know, 1 kilogram equals to 1000 gram. 1 kilogram equals to 1000 gram. Kilogram is a bigger unit, gram is a smaller unit. So kilogram to gram, if we are converting, so we will multiply by 1000. But if we are converting gram to kilogram, so we will divide by 1000. Okay. Question number 5th, first question, 6 kg. So multiply 6 kg by 1000, 6000 will be required answer. So 5.543 kg. So 5.543 into kg to gram we are going. So 1000. 3 zeros, so 3 jumps it will make to right side. So we can write 5543 gram. You can solve like this. But one more approach is there. After decimal, 3 places you are having. So 5543 divided by 3 places means 3 zeros along with 1 into 1000. 1000 1 ja, 1000 1 ja. So 5543 gram. You can also solve like this. Okay. Then question number 5 you can solve. Question number 6. In gram we are having, but we have to convert in kilogram. So simply we will divide by 1000. Okay. So questions are 445 gram. So 445 divided by 1000. 3 zeros are there, means after decimal 3 places. So 0.445, 3 places. So this is your required answer. Okay. One more question. 8 gram. So 8 divided by 1000. 3 zeros means 3 places after decimal. So only 8 is there, so write 8, then 0 0 0. So 0.008 kg required answer. Okay. So you can solve question number 6 also. Then what about question number 7? Question number 7 to question number 12, all the questions are same. We have to subtract only. Okay. So question number 7, add and giving answer in rupees. So first question is very easy, you can solve. Second question I am solving. 24 rupee 03 paise and 532 paise. So answer we have to give in rupee. So first we will convert this 532 paise in rupee. So as you know, 1 rupee equals to how much? 100 paise. So 532 divided by 100. So 2 zeros means 5.32 rupee. ये इधर से जाएगा 1 2. 24.03 we are having. So now add 24.03, then 5.32. So 5 3 decimal 9 2. 29.35 rupee is your required answer. Okay. So you can solve question number 7. All the questions are same. Then question number 8, subtract. Second question, 286 paise from rupee 7.02. So 286 paise we have to subtract from this value. So first we will convert this 286 paise. So 286 paise simply we have to divide by 100. So you can write 2.86. Two sums it will make to the left hand side. So now we got rupee 2.86. So we will subtract rupee 2.86 from 7.02. So first write 7.02, then minus 2.86. Just take this will be 12, then this will be 9. So 12 minus 6, 6, 9 minus 8, 1. Okay, then this is 6, 6 minus 2, 4. So 4.16 is your required answer. Okay, so like this you have to solve question number 8, and question number 9, 10, 11, 12, all the questions are same. First convert the value, then subtract or add as per question. Okay, if you are having any doubt in 15D, do message.